guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my what I got for my birthday video. I have been consistently doing these videos for like 5 or 6 years, maybe 7, and I'm late this year. My birthday was on June 18th and my voice has been in and out of disaster zone for the past 2 weeks. So I thought this morning I woke up, it wasn't that bad. So I thought, let's do this. Let's get this video going because I feel like it's not gonna get better than this. All right, so on that note, let's talk about what I got for my birthday this year from my friends and family. First off, I got some beautiful flowers, so thank you so much for that. I got some amazing gift cards. Apparently my friends all think I need to go to Strum, which is a spa by me. Apparently a lot of my friends think I need to go and get a massage and chill. So I got a few gift cards to Strum, which here is what the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful little bag like this, and it's a gift card, and I got I think 6 of them. So I'm gonna be hooked up and very relaxed because your girl, she needs to chill apparently, and everybody knows what my favorite spa is, so very excited about that. On another note, because I'm wearing one of my birthday presents, is this dress right here. I will insert pictures of what it looks like on me right here. My friend Vivi was in Colombia for the whole winter, and I saw her wearing this dress on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful, I love it so much. And I went to the online store and I tried to buy it, and they didn't ship to Canada or the US, and Vivi was like, Mel, I will get it for you. So I saw her yesterday and she's like, I was like, how much do I owe? She's like, no, it's your present. So it has pockets, it's absolutely incredible. It's by a brand called Sixta, which is from Colombia. I will link them down below because I know I have quite a few Colombians that follow me. So I will link the brand down below because I feel like it's a must-have, and everything on the website is so amazing. But like Sixta, please, if you're seeing this video, please ship to Canada, ship to Montreal, because your girl will buy the entire website. It's so good. So before I get into like the luxury stuff, let me show you guys a present that my parents got me that I thought was too good. So every time I need to do work around the house, I always go to my parents' house and I borrow their tools, and they got me this. It's a tool set, but it's all pink. My parents were like, Mally, you need to have your own toolkit. You need a drill. So my parents got me a drill set with like everything that I could need. Like there's spackles, there's like a hammer, there's stuff to hang. Anyways, like I'm very like, I've used it. That's why this is off, because I've already used it quite a few times because my parents did not raise a wussy who can't do it on her own. I now have my own tool set. The next present I'm going to share came in this bag right here, and you know, I love Fendi. Fendi might be one of my, I think Fendi might be my top favorite designer. I love the brand. I think they're incredible. And this was the gift. So this is just what the earring looks like. It comes as a onesie, so it's like meant to be worn unmatched, which is totally perfect for me because I unmatch my earrings all the time. I will link it down below because I showed it to you guys. I've been wearing it on social media now for like 2 weeks. And you guys are like, what is that earring? And this is what that earring is. It is Fendi. It is beautiful. It came in a beautiful little box, just like this right here. And I've been wearing it nonstop. I've worn it in the shower a few times and it's still perfect. So don't worry about that. And yeah, it's beautiful little Fendi. Next off, this is a PR gift, but I wanted to include it in here because I think it's really cool. I got this from the Ritz, and they gave me 2 Ritz-Carlton champagne flutes, and they're 8-ounce champagne flutes. Champagne for me needs to be in an 8-ounce glass. I don't understand these like tiny, because you know you're not gonna go like technically all the way to the top, which when I'm at home I go all the way to the top, but you know you're gonna do like a half pour, so you're gonna end up drinking like no champagne with the smaller ones. I also received a facial from Spa St. James, so I'm looking forward to trying that out and going and bringing you guys along because Spa St. James facials are supposed to be amazing, so I can't wait to give this place a shot. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I went to the launch of Mademoiselle Jules. She's one of my girlfriend, Julie. She started her own jewelry line and it launched at Holtz, and I picked up these beautiful earrings. They're so nice. They're these like gold they have like the chopard style on the inside, like the inside moves around. And when I went to her event, I got 2 of these earrings. So I just wanted to show them to you guys. As a birthday gift, I received these. I thought they were so pretty. So they're from the same collection by Mademoiselle Jewels, and they're mismatched pearl dangle earrings. And what I like about these, Julie was telling me, so they're real pearl. What I like about these so much is Julie was telling me, she's like, they're made that you can like take off the pearl, and she's like, I know you like the mismatched look, and you can like put both pearls on one earring. So let's say you're doing the mismatched and you're just doing like one dangly earring for like an event. You just put both sets of pearls on the one hoop. And I thought it looked really, 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 really pretty. I love the versatility behind this collection. I find it so fun and it's so flirty. Like the heart necklace, the heart earrings that I bought can be put on a necklace as a pendant. So it's a really versatile collection. And again, it's Julie, my friend Julie, Mademoiselle Jewels, and the collection's available at Holt Renfrew. Then next off, I got this giant box from one of my girlfriends, and I wanted to leave it as is so you guys can see. So there's the card and the ribbon, but she nailed it. She knows my favorites. So she got me a bottle of champagne, which has been in this box for 2 weeks because I've been dying to show you guys how she gave me the gift. It is supposed to be incredible. It's Fergetina Rosé Champagne. So here is it if you guys want to screenshot it. It's called Fergetina and it's a 2018 rosé. So I'm gonna now put this in the fridge and have it this weekend. And then by Jo Malone, which for me, you don't know what to get me, just get me Jo Malone. Like literally, you can never go wrong with Melissa and Jo Malone. So she went with the candle, which is the English pear and freesia. I love this scent. And then she got me the English pear hand soap, which I'll put in the guest bathroom downstairs in the living room. It's gonna be so pretty. All right, next off, I got this huge Louis Vuitton wallet. I can't remember what this called. I feel like there was like a thing that was like really big about this wallet years ago, and we all got rid of them and we all went with smaller wallets. And then I've rediscovered the practicality of having a huge wallet. I think this is the one that you can put even your passport in. I use this for bills. I just put my bills throughout the day, and then I just like take them out and give them to my accountant. You have your 6 card slots here, the back for cash with more card slots. So I have like Luca's cards back here, and then the change here, which is really cool. There's like the change pocket thing. I actually put my car key in here, which is really practical. Instead of having my like mini tiny Chanel wallet that like doesn't really fit in all of my mini bags, it mostly just fits like in my larger bags. I've been reconverted to the large wallet game. I'm not gonna lie, this has kind of been game changer because my car key fits in here, everything is in here, my driver's license, everything fits. I literally just grab this and do drop off with just this in hand. And then also my phone fits in here and my AirPods. So I just zip this up and I like walk around with this. It's like a really practical wallet. I'm really happy I got this as a gift because like this is like crazy practical. Yeah, this is kind of something really, I missed the large and in charge wallet, not gonna lie. So when I just use my mini bags, I literally just take out the cards, slap them in my bags and call it a day. Basically my Chanel didn't fit in the smaller bags anyway, so I always just had cards with me. So yeah, I went back to a large wallet because guess what? This is really practical. Okay, my favorite gift that I received this year for my birthday is obviously from my Luca bear, and I wanted to show it to you guys. And she insisted on going to buy me a gift that she chose on her own and asked my mom to bring her to the pharmacy to go buy it. I can't. She's the most incredible kid in the world. So I just realized the lotion that was a part of the gift is actually not in this box because I've been using it. It's downstairs. I'll insert just a clip of the one she chose for me. So Luca realized that I love self-care. She's noticed, obviously, she's my daughter. She's with me 24/7. She knows how much I love to take care of myself. And she insisted on going to the pharmacy and buying me a self-care kit. So my mom and her made a little box for me, and this is what it looks like. And she got me a lotion for my feet. It's because she says I'm always scrubbing my feet and like making sure they're soft. So she got me like a heel repair lotion that she picked. She's 5. She went and picked it herself. And then she got me one of these the little heel scratchers because she says my mommy cares a lot about this. And it's true, I'm like big on manicure pedicures, like I'm always on point. So she got me one of these. She also included a hyaluronic face mask because she knows how much I love doing these. And she told my mom that she remembered me saying that I like the hyaluronic, my mom said she was trying to say hyaluronic acid and she couldn't. My mom deciphered that this is the one that she meant and she actually picked it herself knowing that that's the one I love. And then she followed that up with a caramel because she said it's my mom's favorite chocolate and I want to get her one. Is she not the most incredible kid on this planet? As the cream is really, really good and I really, really like it. So you guys need to go get it because Luca, my 5-year-old, picked the best cream for my feet ever. Next up, I got some Nanor. This is when your friends watch your videos and they know how obsessed you are. Because, hold on, let me show you guys exactly what it is I got. Hold on. This is very difficult. Okay, so I got the skin set first, which is the box. Hold on, let me put this box down. Okay, so this is what the skin box looks like. So you have a loofah in here, and you get the lime exfoliant, which Luke and I both love. And then you get these little, like, it's called, what's it called? Konjac sponge. We have the pink and the black one, and now we're getting the purple larger one. Like we get the smaller ones usually. And when I say we, it's because my daughter is also obsessed with these. These are incredible. If you've never used whatever this is called, a konjac sponge, you're missing out on life. Truly, you really, really are. So we're really excited we got the purple one. And then it comes with another body scrub. So you have 2 body scrubs, the loofah, and it comes with the little like shovel to scoop out the scrubs. And then for this one here, which is the candles, I got the 2 candle packs. So it's 2 Athea. They actually messaged Nanor and they were like, make sure it's Athea, because we know it's her favorite. And it comes with the little Nanor lighter as well. So I got this light fixture, which I didn't want to unplug and bring up, that I am completely in love with. It's by Eglo. And then my friend who also got me the Eglo light fixture got me this outdoor lamp, which I needed. This is when you know your friends are actually your friends because they get you stuff you really need. She got me 2 light bulbs to go with what she got me. And then this for the loft, which is a larger LED ceiling light to put instead of the one that I have there now. And it's gonna be a white light instead of yellow. So it's gonna help with my lack of light in the loft. So the last 2 items I'm going to mention are actually bought by me, but I bought them for myself as a birthday present. So I'm including them in this video because I always have, and I always will buy myself something for my own birthday, which was supposed to be my love bracelet, but I decided to expand it. I got myself these lubes. I love them. I justified these to myself as I'm gonna wear them to the Louboutin lounge at the Ritz party. And I didn't end up wearing them at the Ritz party because I didn't feel like they went with my dress finally. But now I just got some really cute pink Pegas lubes that I wore with a pair of jeans, and they looked pretty fabulous, if I can say so myself. And they're actually really comfortable in suede. The Pegas has always scared me. I've never bought it because I was so terrified about how uncomfortable it was. And everybody who talked about how uncomfortable it wasn't patent. I don't know if suede makes a difference. I don't know if my feet are technically numb because I've been wearing heels for so long, but I thought these were great. I wore these out, like I wore these out this long. Like that's how long I wore them. I wore them out for dinner, a late dinner. I wore them out for like drinks post dinner. Like I must have been wearing these for like 6 hours solid and I was totally fine. So I don't know about you, but these, fabulous purchase. Now the last item that I bought myself, I've been holding back on social media and showing it really on Instagram. I did a little teaser reel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, can you just go follow me on Instagram, please? The reel was really funny, but I didn't show it up close. It is this bag right here. And again, you know my love for Fendi. This is the Fendace collaboration. I really wanted a piece, but I thought the collection was really, really, really expensive for something on the more trendy side. So I limited myself to this small little bag. And you guys know I love a good mini, so I thought this was such a great addition. I love the bag with the Fendi underneath. I actually wanted to pick it up for out of the regular Fendi collection, but then I saw it in Fendace and I was like, This is incredible. I love that it has 2 loops here also. You guys are gonna see if you follow me on Instagram. I'm planning on styling this with a shoulder strap. I have an HRH collection gold strap that looks really beautiful with this. I've actually worn it out and not shown you guys yet. So I'll show you guys what it does look like in upcoming videos. But I just attached a little gold strap and it looks really nice as a little shoulder bag. It also looks really nice as a belt bag. I tied it with the little strap over like a looser dress and just attached to the belt. It looks really good. All right guys, so that is it. That is what I got for my birthday for 2022. If you guys want to see a little preview of what I got myself for my birthday, because I go ham every year on my birthday, I'll link the video down below. It includes a Cartier Love bracelet. I spoiled myself. Your girl went hard and I don't feel bad about it. I'm really happy I did. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As per usual, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I don't have anything else to say besides I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.